Emerson Casablanca Classic ceiling fan from the late 70s. It's model CF529W. It uses the K63 motor, which was the earlier model. I guess people call it stack motor in these American-made Emerson ceiling fans. It's got 3 speeds, non-reversible, and this is antique white with antique brass, and this is the ornate version. I'll go ahead and turn the light off real quick, and I will start it on low. See a red tape on the side of the flywheel there. That's just kind of an indicator tape that I put in my videos to kind of show you how fast the fan is going. I got this from a neighbor 1 street over from me. They had it for sale on their front porch and it's sitting out. And low is probably going to go about 45 RPM or so. When I got the fan, it was it had a different light kit on it, and all the internals had been ripped out of it. It was real jury rigged, so I had to put a new pull chain in it, new capacitor for the low speed, pretty much a whole new control system in it. It's also had just a little bit of touch up and clean up done to it. I'll go ahead and put it on medium. Medium's going to run roughly about 125 RPM or so. It's already put out a really, really good breeze. The blades have a 15-degree pitch on them. They have a very large surface area. Go ahead and turn on high. High's probably going to run about 180 RPM or so. Again, my RPM estimations are they're estimations, they're not exact. But they come from years and years and years of working on these fans. These are good, high quality fans, again, made in USA. They're not up to par with the Hunter Original. The Hunter Original is really the gold standard, but Emerson, they've been making fans just about as long as Hunter has, if not more so. They date probably back to the late 1800s. They continue to make very high quality fans today. As a matter of fact, if you want a high quality fan from a lighting store and you're willing to shell out the money, Emerson's probably the way to go. And again, this fan is not reversible. I'll go ahead and turn it off. It's quite heavy. It's got to be mounted with a J-hook. It's got one of the old style mounts on it. And then the canopy is held up by some wood screws. Overall, this fan's in pretty good shape. It's not mint condition, but you probably heard how quietly it runs. There's a little bit of maybe a slight bit of rattle, a bit of play in the motor, the shaft. That's kind of common with these older K55 and K63 fans. They're just the way that the motor was built. So you may get a tad bit of rattling once you have this installed, but the blades are in great shape, and it's surprising because it sat outdoors for a while, and the environment in Texas can be kind of humid. But these blades are in great shape. Paint job is in good shape. Once you get this thing installed, you're not going to see a lot of blemish in the paint. I mean, if you just get right up on it, as you have the motor in your hands, then it'll be kind of obvious. The paint's not brand new, but it's in great shape. This is a vintage fan. It'd be great in a vintage setting, and it should last for years and years more. So if you're bidding on this on eBay, happy bidding. And this is a good quality fan. It's with a very classic traditional design. If that's you've got going for kind of a retro look, then you might want to consider bidding. So thanks again for watching. Again, this has been an Emerson CF529W Casablanca Classic, and thanks again for watching.